What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today is Monday and I'm going to be running over why I'm bullish on Bitcoin and BSV. Before we get started though, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as sharing these videos with your friends. I really appreciate everybody that supports this channel as it grows. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. Also, make sure that you guys go ahead and check the links in the description for the Discord. You'll get a free ebook when you join, and that ebook is really powerful. It'll take you from a beginner all the way into being able to profit in the markets on your own. And then from there, you can go ahead and check out some of my other options. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I'm starting off with Bitcoin versus the dollar, and this is on the 5-day candlesticks on Coinbase. You guys, Bitcoin has done an ABC correction. I've talked about this in a few videos in the past, but today a lot of people are panicking because we saw an 8% drop. But you guys, the crowd is almost always wrong when it comes to investing. That's why 90% of the market loses money. Yeah, it's true. 90% of the market is losing money. And so if you want to be in the 10% that's actually outperforming the rest of the market, and then from even that 10% to go up into some of the higher percentages, like the top 3% or the top 2%, you're going to have to learn how to manage your emotions. One of the best things I have personally found for doing this is meditation. I practice meditation pretty much every single day for the past 3 years now. It has completely transformed and changed my life on every single aspect. So that's one really powerful tool that you guys can use to increase your self-awareness and have a greater understanding of your emotional states and how to mediate them and guide yourself through the emotions that you're feeling so that then you can take negative emotions and turn them into positive emotions. So that's really one of the deepest, darkest secrets about trading is it's all an emotional game. And that's hidden from a lot of people on the public, but I will share this with you guys in this video because I've talked about it many times. One of the purposes of this channel is to shed a light on a lot of the hidden techniques and a lot of the things that are trying to be taken away from the public eye. And the reason for that is because I want you guys to be able to profit on your own so that you don't have to give all your money or all your trust to somebody else. The whole point of Bitcoin is a system where it empowers the people. And so investing in Bitcoin is really important. And knowing how to do that is super important, you guys. So these secrets that I share on this channel, often a lot of these secrets have been specifically hidden from the public. And so I share them, I shed light on them. Everything that is hidden is being known, and that is also true with cryptocurrency and how to trade and invest in it. So Bitcoin is definitely something that I see having a reversal. I'm not scared of any short-term price action. I could care less about 8% swings on the up and the down like we've seen since this support level here. I remain bullish. It's really quite that simple. And Bitcoin for me is going to carry the altcoin markets. And it's going to do a strong reversal. We're going to see more upside inside of the market. And once it starts carrying the altcoin markets, then we're really going to see what some of these cryptos are made of. So yeah, I'm definitely bullish on Bitcoin personally. But BSV, I actually like BSV more than Bitcoin. So we're going to go ahead and check out BSV here today and talk a little bit about the price action that I'm seeing. So we talked about horizontal consolidation ranges in a few videos back. BSV is in a horizontal consolidation range and it's testing major support. We're also quite oversold on the MACD. We can measure down here, we're about -14 on the MACD. And we can go into some of these smaller time frames and you'll actually see that we're even more oversold, -30 on the MACD. We can even go down to the 4-hour time frame. I'll bet we're pretty oversold. Yeah, we're all the way down on the 4-hour time frame as well. So on multiple time frames, we're really oversold. If you look at the 4-hour time frame though, something really interesting is happening here. So I'm going to remove all the drawing tools, and we're going to take a trend line tool, and we're going to look at divergence. So divergence is when prices make a low, and then they make a lower low right here. As you can see, prices made a low at this point here, and then it made a lower low, which means the price barely fell below the previous level. And on the MACD, when this low was formed right here, we actually made a very, very oversold level here. But when this low is formed, the one that was actually lower than this one, we see the prices not making another low on the MACD, but a higher low. So when the market makes a low in price and then another low in price, yet it makes a low in the MACD and a higher low in the MACD, this is divergence, meaning that the MACD is showing strength while the prices are showing weakness. And so the MACD will actually carry the market up. So I personally expect us to see a reversal here in BSV very soon, along with Bitcoin, along with many of the major altcoins, including Stellar Lumens. I am going to run over Stellar Lumens here real quick for you guys once I finish up BSV. But yes, you guys, I am bullish on BSV. I see bullish divergence. I see a lot of different technical reasons to be bullish on BSV. And so I am personally long. It's super cheap, $136 per BSV is basically like buying Bitcoin in 2015 when I first got in. That's one of the reasons I'm so excited about this project. And yeah, you guys, I personally think it will go to 1100 per coin. That's my public target. My VIPs know a little bit more about long-term stuff, but I definitely think 1100 per coin on BSV is not out of the question. In fact, it's very high probability. So Stellar Lumens is another one that I'm watching, another one I'm bullish on. You guys, I love these triangle patterns in these bigger time frames. As you guys can see, we have falling support levels, rising resistance levels. This is a triangle consolidation pattern. It's quite easy to see the Elliott wave count here as well on Stellar. As you guys can see, we have a 1, 2, and this is a 3 and a 4 wave. And so we're expecting a 5th wave to come in Stellar Lumens that will take us well over $1. So I'm very bullish on Stellar, you guys. This is one of the coins that I've mentioned on my Twitter multiple times, and I'm very excited about the future price action for this one as well. So thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you learned something, go ahead and hit the like button, or even sharing this video with your friends so they can learn it too. The purpose of this channel is to decentralize investing, to give all of the best techniques that I've learned, all of the best techniques that I've gotten from professional traders, literally people that have traded on professional trading desks for multi-billion-dollar companies. All of that stuff, I'm giving away a lot of it for free. But if you want to take it to the next level, my VIP is definitely the place for you. You can go to highaltitudecrypto.com, click Become a VIP, check out my 3 different options, pick what one works best for you, and all you have to do is send me a Discord message or an email, and I'll get you set up in this exclusive group today. And by the way, you guys, I am actually closing the VIP off to the public at some point. I will reach a certain amount of people inside of the group, in which I'm actually going to close this off completely to the public. And then it will just be completely an exclusive and private group. So if this is something you've been thinking about getting in, just know that in the future it will not be here. So you're going to want to make sure that you do it while it's available. And this is not some marketing scheme. Like, I'm actually legitimately going to close it off to the public. So you need to understand that. So if it's something you're interested in, please send me an email or a Discord message. I would love to have you join the community. It's growing fast. There's lots of good people making money in there every single day. So thank you guys so much again for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in future updates. And as always, stay profitable out there.